Are you ready to ditch the styling tools? Explore these breathtaking shag cuts that offer high fashion impact with zero morning stress. Can you handle looking this chic every single day? 1. Ultra-modern razor shag. This sharp, razored look offers instant volume for thin hair. It is perfect for professional women who want a high-fashion edge that remains effortlessly cool from morning meetings to dinner. This variation works wonders for those with natural waves, using disconnected layers to reduce bulk. It is an ideal choice for busy moms who need a wash-and-go style that still looks intentional. 2. Sultry curtain bang shag. The curtain bangs frame the face beautifully, making this the best option for softening strong features. It requires minimal trimming and grows out gracefully, saving you frequent salon visits. Ideal for thick hair, this cut removes weight while maintaining a feminine silhouette. It is the ultimate choice for the woman who wants to look glamorous with just a quick finger comb. 3. Effortless Wolf Cut. This hybrid style brings maximum volume to the crown, making it a lifesaver for flat hair. It's a bold choice for creative professionals who want to express their personality effortlessly. For women with curly or coily hair, the wolf cut provides a structured shape that prevents the triangle look. It defines curls naturally without the need for heavy styling products. 4. Messy Midi shag. The medium length is perfect for those transitioning from long hair who still want the ability to tie it back. It provides a relaxed, youthful vibe that works for any age. This cut is a dream for women with busy mornings, as the messiness is the intended look. Just a quick shake of the head and you are ready for your day. 5. Wispy Bottleneck shag. Bottleneck bangs offer a softer take on the traditional shag, ideal for women who want to hide forehead lines while keeping a fresh, trendy look that grows out easily. This style is highly recommended for fine hair as it creates the illusion of thickness. It's a chic, low-maintenance update for the modern woman who values elegance and ease. 6. Bold Choppy Pixie shag. For the ultimate time saver, this short shag combines the ease of a pixie with the texture of a shag. It's perfect for active women who want a daring, stylish look. This cut highlights the eyes and cheekbones intensely. It's a great choice for women who want a powerful, feminine look that requires zero styling tools, just a bit of pomade. 7. Layered Platinum Bob shag. A modern twist on the classic bob, the added shaggy layers prevent it from looking too perfect or stiff. It's the go-to for women who want a professional yet relaxed appearance. The platinum color adds a high-fashion element that makes even the simplest outfit look expensive. It's surprisingly easy to maintain if you embrace the live-in root look. 8. Copper curl shag. This style celebrates natural curls by giving them a defined, bouncy shape. The copper tones are incredibly trendy and add a warm, healthy glow to any skin tone. Ideal for medium to thick curly hair, this cut removes the bulk while enhancing the natural bounce. It is the perfect low-maintenance solution for women who struggle with curl management. 9. Feathered 70s Revival shag. This vintage-inspired look is all about movement and flow. It is perfect for long-haired women who want a change without losing their length. Offering a timeless, breezy aesthetic, the feathered layers make hair feel lighter and more manageable. This style is particularly flattering for those with oval or heart-shaped faces who love a bohemian vibe. 10. Tapered natural texture shag. This cut works with your hair's natural state, whether it is wavy or straight. It's the ultimate no-fuss haircut for women who want to wake up and go without a mirror. The tapered ends give this shag a modern, clean finish. It is suitable for any professional environment while still maintaining a cool, effortless edge for your personal life.